Today is a big day for me. I'm getting to review a bottle that I honestly never thought I'd get my hands on, and I'm talking about Jack Daniel's 10-year Batch 1. Let's get into it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Brad's Bourbon Reviews. I'm Brad, and today I have a bottle that is a unicorn for me that I really genuinely never thought I'd get my hands on. I have several Jack Daniel's 12-year batch 2s. I have several Jack Daniel 10-year batch 2s, and I kept seeing the prices going up and up and up on this bottle, and I knew I'd have to get it at secondary because this came out I think in like 2021 or something. It's been around for a while, and I never saw one in person. And I ultimately caved, and I bought something from the secondary. And I got to be honest, I had a great experience. It was less than I thought it would be. I was prepared to spend around $400 to get this thing. I didn't want to, and ultimately I didn't have to. But I was prepared because I wanted this bottle this bad. Because if you don't know, if this is your first time watching a video on the channel, thank you for joining and watching. I appreciate it. But I'm a huge Jack Daniel's fan. And in fact, Jack Daniel's 10-year batch 2 is one of my favorite bourbons of all time. So I wanted to try this. I've never seen this out in public before. I've never heard anyone who's had it. I think I know one person who's had it before. And I needed to try it because I'm like, this started off the whole like Jack Daniel's super aged stuff with even though 10's not super aged, but like for Jack Daniel's doing the aged stated stuff. So I have to try this, and I have been waiting, and I finally am going to do the video today, and I cannot wait to bring you Jack Daniel's 10-year batch 1. There it is on the back. Also, by the way, I like it so much more that they started putting the batch numbers here instead of on the back. I think it looks way better. I wish they'd have done it with this bottle, but what can you do? But I'm really excited, and I hope that this isn't as good as the 10-year because I doubt I'll ever get another one of these. So let's give it a fresh crack and see. I am so excited for this, guys. You have no idea. By the way, if anyone's wondering how much I actually paid for it, I paid $150 all in. That was with shipping. So I feel like that was a hell of a steal. So here we go. This is exciting for me. All right, don't disappoint me, Jack Daniel's 10-year batch 1. Let's give it a nosing and let's see how we feel. Oh boy. Those maple and that sweet oak. This nose for me smells the most like Jack Daniel's Sinatra I think I've ever had. It's that super sweet oak, but it still has that like soggy aged note that I get from all the other Jack Daniels. This one also has like a sweet like maple syrup kind of note. This might be the best smelling one of the batches, to be honest with you. Like some banana bread, but not banana-y, just like the warm walnuts, or I don't, what is it pecans or walnuts in a banana bread? It's walnuts, right? Comment down below, let me know. I don't remember. I haven't had banana bread in a long time, but it smells like that warm bread that you get from banana bread. And there is a slight banana note too. Maybe I could have just talked myself into that thinking about banana bread, but I think it's there. I'm pretty sure. Man, it smells so good. Like this smells so good. This is exactly what I wanted out of this. I got to find another one of these now. Just on the nose, like I know this is going to be good. All right, let's give it a mouthing. Let's see how we feel. I think it's pretty close to the 2. I think the 2 is better than the 3, but I think this is better than 3. I still think 2 is my favorite. There's some sweetness on this that I really, really like. The reason I like 2 the best, and I will do a blind of all 3 of these. That's coming. I already have that worked into the schedule. It's going to happen. I'm going to blind all 3 of the 10s and see which one is actually my favorite. But from memory, because I haven't had 2 in a while. I don't think I've had it lately. I've been drinking a lot of Jack 12. This has more sweetness than the 2 has sweetness, and then like the bitterness of the oak. And this one just kind of goes all sweet, and then there's nothing really to balance it out, which is not a problem because I do like sweet bourbon. But I kind of like the way that the 2 goes on that like sweet, and then it hits like a crescendo, and then it gets kind of bitter and then back to sweet. I like that. It's like a journey. I know that sounds corny, but there is like a journey to it. And this is almost kind of one note, but that one note is phenomenal. You got to remember too, I'm comparing this and saying it stands up to one of my favorite bottles of all time. So I'm being a little nitpicky only because I'm comparing it to something that I love so much, and I think it's right up there with it. I think this is just as good I don't think it's better, but I think it's just as good. I think it's just as good in a different way. And it makes it, to me, a little less interesting, but still absolutely phenomenal. Like, I think I would still put this. I wouldn't put batch 3 on my favorites. I would put batch 1 up there for sure. This is phenomenal. That banana note's coming in through a little bit more now. Yeah, this is absolutely delicious. And for those who don't know, this does come in at 97 proof. It's just perfect. It's like absolutely perfect. I just personally prefer that like little bitterness to balance it out. If anyone sees these floating around, I would absolutely encourage you to get one of these. I think this is phenomenal. And I also, if you have like any of the 10s already, they're really cool to compare. This is the original one of these. So I'm a big fan of this. I really, really like this. It's going to be, can I put this in my top 10 of the, I guess I can. I tried it for the first time in 2024, right? Yeah. I'd never had it before anywhere else. Okay. This is going to be at the end of the year. This is going to be my top 10 of the year that I've had so far. Absolutely. Cause it's just phenomenal. I'm really, really into this. I really hope I can find another one of these for around what I paid for this one. There's there's like some nuttiness to that too. And I say nuttiness, not like peanut butter or like Jim Beam. To me, it's like dried pecans, that kind of nut, like the shell of a pecan. I really like that a lot. Jack Daniels, you did it again, even though you did it. This was the first time you did it. You did it, and then you did it again, and then you kind of did it a third time. Well, that was a very timely review, only like 4 years late, but we did it. We got it through. We got it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a like and comment down below. Let me know what your favorite Jack Daniels age stated, or just give me your favorite Jack Daniels product. Who cares? Give me your favorite Jack Daniels product. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Do that, and I will see you guys on the next one. Until then, cheers.